How's it going? We're here for day 58, I hope, of Fergus Tuna Day. I'm in Ann Arbor, Michigan, joined by Kelly Zaruka, there we go. And we're going to play the Alexander Hornpipe. Okay. Alexander's Hornpipe.
Yes, we're going to attempt it.
We're going to give it a go.
You wanted weird, so here I am.
So, let's try it. After you. See you tomorrow for day 59. Yay, hugs.